inspection methods. Marshall utilizes a variety of inspection methods to assure dimensional accuracy of machine components and assemblies. Vision measurement systems. Marshall has several vision systems throughout the facility. Vision systems use high-resolution camera and an optical sensor to quickly and accurately measure part features. Parts are fastened on an XY table, which moves via a programmed route and records the part dimensions into the computer. Measurements are automatically downloaded into SPC software and are used to generate control charts which are used to monitor the production process. Optical comparator. The optical comparator is used to measure the profile of a part. It projects the part image onto a screen. The screen has a transparency of the part profile fastened to it, outlining minimum and maximum tolerances. The operator focuses the part on the screen and dials in the XY table to align part onto the transparency to confirm the part meets dimensional specifications. Micrometers, gauges, and visual inspection. Machinists often use micrometers for measuring part dimensions as the machining cycle is completed. Micrometers are highly accurate measuring instruments. Machinists follow strict measuring protocols dictated by engineering. This machinist is measuring the inside diameter of a machined tube with a bore gauge. Gauges are also used at the machines. Here, we see a component from the CNC bending machine that is being checked in a profile gauge. After dimensional properties have been verified, these medical parts are being checked visually for surface irregularities and imperfections. Please contact Marshall Manufacturing to discuss your project.